This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 17 of building the Eleanor, the Mustang. Yes, this is another interior door panel, same as the other one, but reversed. So first of all, we've got to fit the door release mechanism thing in there. I remember doing this. This has a big screw with a big washer built into it. Just like that, just like one of them. There's one of them. Out you come. Come on. All right, you come out. There you go. So this is going to go into there. I remember this being easier to put in without it worrying about that bit first. Goes on there, and then that goes over there. And then that will tighten down a bit. I don't think it tightens down completely, if I remember correctly. Oh no, it's a fair bit, and not tight, but tight enough. And then two of these will hold that in place on here from the inside. We've got that going up through like so. Hang about. Let's get this the right way around now. Yeah, that has to go in there and up and out. And then that goes. Done this from the wrong side, and I have, and that's come off there as well. Ignore me. Come back when you're finished. Have a little break, and come back and see me when you're happy. We'll get there. There we go. No, we don't. I tightened that too much on there. I don't think so. No, that goes on there okay. Right. So this has got to go from the inside like that, but not like that. It's going to come through here, and then these will attach onto there. So why is this proving to be pain? Why oh why? Have I got it the right way around? Hang about. Let me. That's definitely that way around. That's going on there like so. And that has to go on there. Ah, it's that way around. I'm doing it from the wrong bit. Am I? Yes. So that goes in there like that. So that's actually this side, not that side. So that goes on there like that, and then the two screws will hold that in place. I need the smaller screwdriver for that because these are pretty tiny little screws. They're going into tiny little screw holes. Getting it lined up is the tricky bit. So there we go. That's that one in there a little bit. Get the other one in the other side a little bit as well. More than that though. There we go. No, we don't. We nearly go. And then we came back. I'll get that finished off behind the scenes because that is that for that issue. Next up, we've got the rest of it to put that on there and then finish it off nicely. So I shall see you very soon for doing that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.